Tired of saying hello all the time? In this video, I'll teach you 5 natural ways to greet someone in English, so you sound more fluent and confident. Let's go. Number 1. Hey. Simple, casual, and used by native speakers every day. Try it with friends or coworkers. Example, hey, how was your weekend? Number 2. What's up? Very casual. Great with friends, but not in formal settings. Example, what's up? Haven't seen you in a while. Number 3. How's it going? Sounds natural and friendly. Use it any time of the day. Example, how's it going? Everything okay at work? Number 4. Morning, a short version of good morning, friendly and informal. Example, morning, want some coffee? Number 5. Yo, super casual, often used in pop culture or between close friends. Example, yo, let's hang out later. Which greeting do you use the most? Type it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English tips.